So question 9 says the graph of a cubic function f is sketched below. The equation of the curve is given as f of x is equals to minus x cubed plus bx squared plus cx minus 3, where b and c are constants. When x is 1, our y is 4, and on the second derivative of this function, when x is a half, our y value is 1, which is positive. Cool. So we have to determine the values of b and c, the only two unknowns in the equation. So first off, let's just start by substituting the point where we are given. So that is x is 1 and y is 4. So I'm going to be working with that formula here. So we have f of x, which is f of 1, is equal to 4. It means I'm going to replace x with 1. So it's going to be minus 1 cubed plus b times 1 plus c times 1 minus 3 is equal to 4. And then you can simplify this a bit. This will just be minus 1 plus b plus c minus 3 is equals to 4. Then we can say b plus c is equals to 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 1 is 8. So b plus c is equals to 8. And that's done. Then we can work with the second derivative, but we need the first derivative first. So first derivative is equals to minus 3x squared plus, this is bx squared actually, but it won't make a difference here. This stays the same, and this one will be plus 2bx plus c. Since we're not given any information about the first derivative, we go straight to the second derivative. And that will be minus 6x plus 2b, right? Then we can now use the formula that says when x is a half, the value of the second derivative is 1. So we can replace the second derivative and substitute. Actually, let me just move this so we create a bit of space. Move this to here. Cool. Then what we are working with now is minus 6, replacing x with a half, plus 2b is equal to 1. C fell away because it's a constant. Then here we're going to have minus 6 over 2, that's minus 3 plus 2b is equals to 1. Take the 3 to the other side, we get 2b is equals to 1 plus 3, which is 4. Divide by 2 on both sides, you get b is equals to 2. Once you found b, the value for b, you can come back to this equation 1. So we can name this equation 2. Make a substitution of b into that formula. You will get b plus c is equals to 8. C, well, b, which is 2 plus c, is equals to 8. Move 2 to the other side, you get 8 minus 2, which is 6. So c is 6 and b is 2. And those are your values.